Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what do the check marks mean on Messenger. So, let's get started. Messenger uses different check marks to indicate the status of your messages. Here's what they mean. Open blue circle. You've just sent a message and it's still being sent. Open blue circle with a check mark. Your message has been sent, but the recipient hasn't received it yet. This could be because they're offline or because they have bad reception. Filled in blue circle with a check mark. Your message has been delivered to the recipient's device, but they haven't read it yet. Small version of the recipient's profile picture. The recipient has opened Messenger and seen your message. Important note: you can turn off read receipts in Messenger settings if you don't want people to know when you've read their messages. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.